How to choose the right cooker for your induction hob? How to install the induction hob? Product-related installation dimension drawing. Hole size of kitchen counter. Bottom dimension of induction hob. Ensure that the interior of the stove is well ventilated and the cooling fan of the induction cooker is not blocked. Install the induction hob into the perforated counter. Note, if the size of the opening larger than 565 by 495 millimeters, install the mounting bracket. In order to facilitate the later disassembly and maintenance, you can choose to install mounting brackets on the left or right side of the induction hob. Screw mounting brackets to the bottom base of the hob. Connecting the hob to the mains. Make sure that the data on the rating label V matches your supply voltage. The hob should be connected to a connection box. Don't connect it to a single-phase plug. The connection to the power supply must be carried out by a qualified electrician in accordance with the relevant standard or with a single-pole circuit breaker. How to fix the failure exception by yourself. The error code flashed in corresponding area while the cookware is not put in the correct position, or put wrong cookware. Please check whether the cookware is suitable or not. If the cookware is not put in within 60 seconds, the hob will stop working. If a cooking zone is still too hot to touch after use, and there is a risk of injury, it is indicated by an H on the corresponding cooking zone display, which will disappear again when the surface will have cooled down to a safe temperature. When the cooktop surface temperature drops to normal, clean the cooktop with a damp cloth. Never use brushes or any abrasive cleansers.